Hey guys, in today's review, we're going to check out this PowerSmart lawnmower. So let's dive in.
So one of my favorite parts of this lawnmower is you can see it folds up really small and compact, which is nice. So if you don't have a lot of space and maybe you have everything in your garage, or if you just have a small shop, this thing can fold up really small and fit in the corner. It's super easy. All you're going to do is just open this up, and once you tighten these bolts, you are ready to roll. It's super easy to use. Another thing I like is that it comes pretty much pre-assembled, so it's not going to be hard to put together. Again, all you're going to have to do is just open up this little part right here and put these two clips on. A couple other cool features I like about it. It does have the side discharge right here. You see, all you have to do is slide that on. You can put it on, or it just has the mulch option as well. So when this is closed, this is the mulch option. So it's super easy if you want to go back to the side. All you're going to do is just slide this in, clip it in, and it is ready to roll and works really well for that as well. So then another adjustment you can make right here is the height. It has 6 different heights you can see right there. Super easy to change. All you're going to have to do is pull this little lever and it will adjust the height of the tires and also the height of the deck as well. So again, this is super nice and convenient, so you can use whichever one you might want to use, whether it's the mulch option or the side discharge, and then also use the height option as well. I also like these tires. I've never had one with these type of heavy duty plastic tires right here, but these are really cool and again have worked really well for myself. It's also nice because it has a super easy accessible option right here to put in your engine oil, and it even comes with some as well. So this is super nice and convenient. You can check your dipstick right here and check the engine oil level, and then again it's super easy to place it in there. I do recommend you probably trying to grab some type of funnel if you have one, because this will help you be able to get around the engine head right here, and so super easy to use. But you can also just slide it in there, and that's what I did, and just went ahead and put all the oil in. Then I did place the funnel into our gas option right here, and so this is super nice because you want to have a little bit of control over that. I also really like the Briggs & Stratton motor. I think that's one of the most important components of the entire lawnmower, and so it's nice when you have a great motor on top of here. So this is something I have used, and I really love this brand. Then once you get it all full and ready to roll and have checked everything out, it is super easy to get going. As you can see right here, one of the first pulls, it already went ahead and cranked up and started working. And it works really well. It's super strong. And again, like I mentioned, it's a great motor and has done a great job for us. It was also very dry here today. It hasn't rained in probably 2 or 3 weeks, and so I needed to go ahead and get my grass cut though, because the rain is coming today, so you're going to see a lot of dust and other things just going around. It also is the 21-inch deck, so you are going to get a pretty wide cut with that, which is super nice. You guys know if you have any size lawn, you want the large as you can, because it will definitely take you a little bit longer, but it's nice if you can go ahead and get one with the larger deck. And it is the steel option as well, so it's definitely going to last a long time and it's going to do a good job for you, and you are able to bang it up a little bit. And you guys know, if you are like myself, you're definitely going to be able to use this, run it over sticks and run it over a bunch of different options like that, and it's going to last a long time, because that's what I'm really looking for in my lawnmowers, just to make sure that they are durable, they're going to last, and they're not just going to break down and be something cheap that will only last a season or maybe 2. I really believe this is definitely going to be one that I'm going to use moving forward. Like I said, I really like the size of it. It's going to be large enough to cut my yard, but also small enough that I can just slide it into the bottom of either my shed or the side of my garage, which is super nice. And because it folds back in on itself, it's super easy to use, and you're only going to use this every 1 week to 2 weeks, so it's nice that you can just put that up and not have to worry about it. But in my experience, this lawnmower did great work for my yard. You can see right here, it did a really good job on cutting and also was able to knock out everything pretty quickly. But overall, I think this is a great lawnmower. As you can see right here, it's super easy to use and is very heavy duty and has worked really well for me. I like that you can make it into the mulching mode or also the side discharge mode. You can also adjust the height. Super easy to use that, and it doesn't take a lot to put it together. It also has the nice foam grip on the top, which is super convenient where you're going to be cutting your grass for a couple hours. And like I mentioned, it works really well. Large deck, also heavy duty deck, and easy to pull. Make it a great lawnmower that anyone can use. I will have a link for this one in the description, so if you're interested, you can definitely go down there and check that out. Also, if this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, love to help you out with that. You can also check out another video right here, and I'll see you in the next one.